So we're going to solve in 7.6 there. We're going to solve it. We're going to be using logs, logarithms, or natural log. So if we don't remember, the natural log, the ln, is actually a log with the base e. So normal log or common log is base 10. ln is base e. So using the knowledge of rewriting with natural log, these are just using e now. So here, if you see, it says ln of x is 3. That means e to the third is x. So that means all I got to do is go to my calculator. This is how simple this one is. And I go e, so that's second, and then ln right here next to 4, okay? And then to the third. And I press enter, and I get 20.1. All right? That's easy enough. 20.1. So that's that one. We move over here. We divide by 4 first. We get ln of 2x equals 5/4. We rewrite e to the 5/4 equals 2x. Let's go back. And we got e to the 5/4. This gives you this 3.5 decimal, 3.49 decimal. 3.49 equals 2x. And then we divide by 2. And you get x equals sorry about that, 1.75-ish, 1.749, so 1.75, 1.75. There you go. That one's done. All right, so again, these are all just very similar to what you've just done, except we're using the base e. Over here, we said before that we need to make sure that we get log by itself. So we're going to minus 2 to both sides. We'll get ln to x minus 3 squared equals 3. Then you get e to the third equals x minus 3 squared. All right. So there we're going to have to take the square root of both sides. So, I'm going to take e to the third, and then you're going to take the square root of that. That's not it. Second square root of that answer, 4.48. Remember, anytime you take the square root of both sides, you do get plus or minus. So you get plus or minus 4.48 equals x minus 3. I know I'm running over here. And then we're going to add 3 to both sides to the plus and minus. So x is going to equal 4.48 plus 3 is 7.48. Negative 4.48 plus 3 is negative 1.5. Okay, so we have to take the square root of both sides. That's where you get your plus or minus. All right. So we move over to these next group. And this one here, you're just going to divide by 3. E to the x equals 6. Now to get rid of e, you would apply ln to both sides. So you go ln, or x, I'm sorry, x ln of e equals 6. I'm sorry, I apply ln to both sides, right? I just said that out loud. Why didn't I do it? Ln of 6. And then what you get here is, if you notice, ln of e is actually 1. So then what you get here is x equals the ln of 6. That's easy. ln 6, enter. 403? No? Oh, ln 6. Sorry about that. Like, that's too big. There it is, 1.8. So x equals 1.8. Here, you get 2x plus 1 ln e equals ln of 42. And again, ln of E is 1. If you don't believe me, I'll type it for you. ln of E is 1. So you get 2x plus 1. Oh, sorry, I don't like doing that in green. Let me. 2x plus 1 equals ln of 42, which is 3.74. Okay. Then you subtract 1. 2x equals 2.74. Divide by 2. X equals 1.37. 1.37. I know I'm being inconsistent in my rounding. Tenth, hundredth. It depends what it says in the directions, but I know that I'm being a little inconsistent with my rounding. I just move on. All right, number 6, you got e to the x over 2, which of course is 1/2 x, plus 13 equals 15. So we're going to subtract 13 from both sides. And you get this. So this is x over 2, ln e. I'm so used to. All right. Sorry. ln e equals ln of 2. ln looked horrible. Hold on. Then you get x over 2 equals the ln of 2. Go over here again. ln of 2 is 0.69. And then all you're going to do is multiply by 2. Again, cross multiply right here. So then you get x equals times 2. 1.4, 1.38, let's call it, just since we're in the... All right, I know this is all kind of crammed, but if you have neater writing than I do, then this should look better. But that's why I try to change up the colors and everything. So, all right. So that'll do it. And you have bookwork for this. It should be pretty short, but make sure that you apply ln when you see an e. When you see ln, you're using e as a base. Okay.